Well, I finally went out and bought an OLED TV to find out what the hype is about. But I didn't just want any OLED. I wanted a QD-OLED TV. The 55-inch S95C QD-OLED TV from Samsung. Let's talk about why the Samsung S95C is one of the best TVs you can buy in 2023 and whether you should go ahead and buy it. Right after this. Welcome back everyone, I'm GSC Tech and Finance and I'm very excited to bring you my review of the Samsung S95C QD-OLED TV. A TV around which there's been a great deal of excitement and anticipation since it was announced at CES. Rumors have abounded for the 2023 model, but here's what is different for the second generation of the QD-OLED model. It incorporates two new screen technologies, hyper-efficient electroluminescence, which involves new material that makes its blue emitting layer more efficient and clearer, and it results in 30% brighter screens. The second technology is IntelliSense AI version 2.0. This advanced pixel level optimization extends the QD-OLED 2023's lifetime and durability. It also reduces overall power consumption by up to 25% compared to the award-winning 2022 model. Okay, we've got the new technology out of the way, and naturally there are a lot of questions about what this translates to in reality for potential purchasers of this second generation TV. I've got opinions about this, but let's talk about the features and options that purchasers would be faced with. For those who don't already know, this TV is available in 55 inches, 65 inches, and new for 2023, 77 inches at roughly $2,500, $3,300, and $4,500 respectively. Note, these are release day prices, and as we get closer to the end of the year, there will be more and more sales on these TVs. If you're a stickler for picture accuracy, you can get it from this TV, but you don't necessarily need to because right out of the box, this TV is lit in more ways than one. Now, let me count the ways. First off, it is either the brightest OLED or the second brightest OLED TV out there, depending on who you are. It is not just a 10% window peak brightness, which at over 1300 nits in HDR, or about 650 nits in SDR are both very impressive numbers. But it's the color brightness that really makes this TV stand out thanks to the QD-OLED technology in this TV. It doesn't use a white subpixel like most competing OLED TVs. It uses multiple layers of blue pixels to get much higher pure color brightness than competing OLED TVs. You don't need to be an expert to see just how beautiful a picture this TV produces. Along with all this brightness are the pure blacks that this TV produces thanks to this TV being an OLED TV. The brightness, contrast, and color advantages that this TV has makes this TV one of the best you can buy. One negative with the S95C is that due to the almost instantaneous pixel response time, it can create a sort of stuttering effect when you have a slow panning wide shot, such as those seen in movies. This can be reduced using Samsung's motion smoothing features just a little bit without going into full soap opera effect territory. It also has very good wide angle viewing angles, and its anti-glare features are highly effective thanks to its anti-reflective coating. Before I continue with the rest of my review, if you guys have gotten value out of this review so far, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for future content. For how thin this TV is, the audio in my opinion is pretty good, even if it doesn't have much bass. However, I would still recommend a soundbar, and with the Samsung Q Symphony 3.0 feature, the TV speakers are paired with the Samsung soundbars to produce an even better audio experience. The remote is redesigned for 2022 with the multi-view button being removed and the size now being similar to Apple's TV remote. It also keeps the prior remote's solar charging capability. This TV is also a great gaming TV. It has 4 full bandwidth HDMI 2.1 ports with solid variable refresh rate support all the way up to 4K 144Hz. Note, the 144Hz only applies when you use a PC. It has Samsung's gaming dashboard where you can monitor your gaming performance, including input lag, frames per second, HDR, VRR, variable refresh rate and sound output, and provides easy access for optimizing the gaming features. New features this year include the mini-map zoom feature and the virtual aim point feature. The mini-map zoom feature switches the TV into a split screen mode where the majority of the display still shows the game you're playing, while a portion of the left of the display shows a blown up version of the mini-map. The virtual aim point feature basically adds a virtual cursor onto the exact center of the display to aid during shooting games and adventure games. Similar to last year, Samsung's Gaming Hub also allows you to stream video games directly using Xbox Cloud Gaming, Nvidia GeForce Now, and Amazon Luna. In summary, this TV kicks butt. Most folks who buy it will be thrilled. The only potential concern is the potential for burn-in. If you didn't buy the S95B TV already, then this TV is a definite buy. If you already have the S95B, then you may want to hold off for future versions. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And here's 2 other videos I think you might like. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.